Let's talk about something dangerous. No, not the next cyber attack, not AI stealing your job. I'm talking about Apple moving its logo. I know. This sounds like the world's most elite game of Where's Waldo, but stay with me because what seems like a harmless shuffle might just be the most Apple move of all time, and not in a good way. So here's the scoop. Rumor has it, Apple's about to relocate the iconic bitten fruit on the back of the iPhone 17 Pro, just a few centimeters lower. Why? Allegedly to align it with the MagSafe ring, also possibly to make space for a new Pixel-style horizontal camera bar. You heard that right, iPhone's going horizontal. Next thing you know, it'll be driving on the left side of the road. Now you might be thinking, who cares where the logo is? And on the surface, yeah, it's just branding. But this little shuffle might be the tech equivalent of a magician waving one hand so you don't notice the other one stealing your watch. Because while Apple's out here pulling geometry stunts with its branding, the hardware upgrades, they're looking about as exciting as a calculator app redesign. So far, what do we know about the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max? Rumors suggest a design-first update, big focus on visuals. We're talking about a Google Pixel-style camera bar, because apparently, imitation really is the sincerest form of not knowing what else to do. Under display, Face ID, maybe. A new telephoto lens? Possibly. Unified volume and action buttons? Meh. The most persistent message we're hearing isn't about breakthrough features. It's not about foldables, holograms, or your phone doing your taxes. It's about vibes, aesthetic tweaks, things that scream, "Look at me," while whispering, "We didn't really change anything." Let's rewind the tape. Remember when the iPhone 14 dropped and half the internet asked, "Wait, isn't this just the iPhone 13 with a new haircut?" Yeah, Apple remembers too. And this time, it seems they've preloaded the distraction protocol, new design, new logo position, same old internals, clap for the redesign peasants. But here's the kicker. If the most discussed feature of your new flagship is where the logo sits, maybe, just maybe, you've run out of ideas. I mean, imagine if Tesla announced a new car and the main highlight was the badge is 3 inches lower. Elon would be meme-fried in milliseconds. And sure, maybe Apple's not being cynical. Maybe this is all part of a bigger aesthetic movement. The upcoming iOS 26 is set to bring a new liquid glass design language. Maybe this is Apple's visual rebranding moment, one bite at a time. But at the same time, I can't shake the feeling that it's more like painting racing stripes on a scooter and calling it a superbike. Let's be honest, we all love a shiny new iPhone. That moment when you unbox it, peel the plastic, and admire how it looks exactly like last year's phone but slightly glossier, it's addictive. But behind the glass and aluminum, we want more than polish. We want progress. So here's what I'm watching. If the iPhone 17 Pro drops and the biggest upgrades are where the camera sits and where the logo chills, it's time we call it what it is, steel over substance. And I love style, but not when it's hiding a tech innovation drought. This logo move, it might just be the pixel-sized tip of a very large, very shiny iceberg, one where Apple's slowly drifting away from innovation and cozying up to interior decorating. But hey, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is Apple setting the stage for something massive in 2026. Maybe this is the calm before the iFold or the iSee or the I know what you did last summer edition. Until then, I'll be over here measuring logos with a ruler and asking the real questions like, did they move the logo or did they move us? Smash that like button if you've ever questioned your life choices after upgrading your iPhone for one new wallpaper. And if you made it this far, comment below with where you think Apple should move the logo next. Personally, I'm rooting for inside the camera lens. Let's get weird. See you in the next one, where I review a phone that can probably still do more than the iPhone 17, my grandma's flip phone. Just kidding. Peace out. Peace out.